Today we make super creamy butter pudding. Let's start with fresh milk. This butter will make it rich and creamy. Sweet and creamy goodness. Just a little sweetness. Look at this creamy mixture. Now the pudding becomes creamy.
This will make our pudding soft and smooth.
This will make our pudding soft and smooth. This will help our pudding set perfectly. Now our pudding will set beautifully. Look at that smooth, creamy texture. Time to let our pudding set. A little crunch on top. Now we wait for the magic.
Soft, creamy, and delicious. If you love easy desserts, subscribe for more.